Okay, gaan we doen zemmer. Hey, legit. Also wie man sagt. Schleppt, tabletop. AJ, wie schleppst du das, AJ?
Ich mache eine Delivery, wie schnell?
You machst a delivery? Oh, wow, it's like we're in a tent over here, AJ. Give me a second, clip on the mic over here. Mach a video jetzt, AJ, okay? So, you have the mic on. AJ, wie geht's dir jetzt?
Ich gehe jetzt machen eine Delivery.
Guys, just machen delivery. Ich habe jetzt machen a shiny video on tabletop. So, sagen wir, put it down for a few minutes. I'll help you deliver it afterwards.
Okay, no problem.
Like I said, up auf den Seite, let's go. Wir machen a shiny video tabletop. Also, wie man sucht. Man delivert this, the countertops.
Chaim, also mag the nice sign, was da rausgekommen?
Gorgeous sign. Wer hat gemacht das sign? Is it Barpak Signs?
Barpak Signs, they make the best
Beautiful, nice shiny logo.
Chaim, come around, check out the store.
Lass mal ran checken, du. Chaim, du sehen mir Chaim. You look way too relaxed for Ave Brooklyn. You're walking around with a coffee in your store.
That's one of the things over here.
Team the mic, can I get my clipper off?
We're always relaxed over here.
You're saying on this store you're chilled?
24/7, my friend.
Always
relaxed.
How many years do you have the store open for?
So we have this 25 years already. And hopefully another
25 years.
At least.
So you just rebranded?
We just rebranded. We got to be ahead of the game. We got to,
2025 style.
2025 style, like that, exactly.
So you have a model, you have 25 years experience in your back pocket,
right.
And you have the style of 2025. You upgraded, new sign, new alles frisch, alles neu.
That's right. So we just started a good POS system, and we opened
website. What's so nice?
A website also, tabletopUSA.com.
TabletopUSA.com, it's lying off the screen at the website.
Yes.
A Perlowitz Special of the website.
I think we could give a 10% off anybody who goes on the Perlowitz show.
So how it gets? So whoever sees the show, buys something online, puts into the promo code Perlowitz, but give 10% off.
Yes.
Kavod. Ich habe gedacht von einer neuen Gedanke, I started doing it at stores. As whoever sees the show, the first 20 people who see my video, who comment the tabletop, me walk around, me zoek mal gesehen the show, they get a free item, just for seeing the show. Was zoekst du?
Ich halte sehr stark für them. I think it makes sense.
All right, let's do it.
I think the other men zijn sehr excited for that. Ich meine, das ist ein feine package, Chaim. Was zoekst du?
Beautiful, Muchlegoy stickers. A fade mit a level. In the brecklich, there's a whole wheat or there's a regular, or the sourdough.
This is sourdough.
Sourdough. So the first 20 guys who come and they say they saw the Chaim Perlowitz video,
they get this package.
They get this package for free. Gaan we charge the doors, let's go.
Chaim, lass mal das besuchen. Es ist sehr spät jetzt, Erev Pesach. We're busy over here, we don't have time. Das mache short and sweet. So let me tell you, I have thousands of items over here. We're busy helping customers here. So let me show you. Kim.
Lass mal sehen schnell die Items, was Erev Pesach. In allem auf alle deine Items machst du free delivery, right?
Free delivery and we toiveled.
Hast du Mikva on site?
Has a Mikva on site.
So einer geht
all the schlepping, everything is on us.
So you're saying, a guy goes online, he goes into tabletopUSA.com, he orders counter covers, pots, pans, he puts some Perlowitz for the promo code, 10% off, he has a toiveled and delivered. Unbelievable.
You got it, Chaim.
Wow. Okay, Geber, geh mal kicken, was er hat. Du alles, Hackel, Backel, Mikol, und alle Sachen, du. Hat viel die bond cake covers, whatever you need for Pesach, all year round, bottles, cans. Du machst eigene Wein für Pesach, hast du Wein, pitchers, Hackel, Backel. Alle meine Bäckerlich, alles. Wow, Chaim, you loaded.
Yes, we're fully loaded, my friend.
Wow. Okay, Geber, check it out. Remember, come in and get that Pesach set for the first 20 people. Be ready, the doors are going to smash open when I put this video out. First 20 people get the free Pesach set. And you hear the Stelzi der Oilem. Hat's mal a lechte
Thank you very much for coming.
No problem.